Welcome everybody. Welcome to day 2 of my building in public challenge, guys. So welcome to Day with Amaka. Today I want to show us what I am currently working on, and I am doing a Flexbox practice. Okay, join me as we practice together. So this, I am trying to open a folder. I already clicked on my Flexbox folder, okay, and now I'm trying to create a file. So today I'm going to be using Terminal for this practice, where I am going to create my files there. Okay, so we have two methods. We have going to the Explorer, you see the new file, new folder there where I click and you create. But today I want to go through the terminal route. Okay, so permit me to adjust this so that you guys can see it very well. Now I'm going to create a file. Initially I wanted to create a folder, but I do not need a folder right now, so I'm going to take that off. Moreover, that's a make directory, so I do not need a folder. We use that command for folders, okay, but since we do not need a folder, we are going to take it out. Okay guys, so I'm going to use touch command. Touch command simply means you want a file, so I'm using a touch command, touch index.html. because I want two files, I'm going to use the and symbol. Okay, that's that's two of the and symbols with the touch index.css to create two files at a go. I can do that for 3 files too if I want to. So now you can see we have our files there. We're gonna kill the terminal so that we begin building. So now I'm going to generate my boilerplate by using a short method by Flexbox. Okay, and there we're gonna create our link, a link that leads us to the CSS, whereby after styling is going to be changes in the HTML. Okay, now after that we are going to go to our body, whereby we'll start coding. Okay, happy coding guys. So we are going to create our first command, as h1, and we are going to make an introduction. Okay, so hit h1 and maybe say something like welcome, okay, to Flexbox practice, or practice Flexbox, or to my Flexbox practice. Okay, anyone says, just see, make a point, make something someone can understand. So here we're gonna hit our div. This is a container, just a container for styling. It doesn't have semantic value right now, but we can still use it for styling. We're going to create other boxes. Okay, since we are doing Flexbox, okay, we're going to use other boxes. So these boxes, permit me to use, we are going to an advanced learning. Okay, today I'm not doing a 1, 2 or 3 numbers. We are going to do an extensive coding today. Okay, so we are going to give a class of boxes for the main boxes that is covering the whole container. Okay, now each boxes we have a header, a paragraph, and a link. So we are going to do this header, box 1, and with a paragraph. Let's do lorem this time. Okay, so paragraph, we do lorem let's do lorem 7. Then after lorem 7 we're going to do href, then maybe we'll do something like that will lead us to our index.css. Now here, this is something normal we must do, to take out the default margin, default padding. Okay, all right, so we are going to take those things off so that we are able to style our work very well. Okay, so we are using box sizing of border box, and we're going to find a nice font family. Okay, I think I prefer this. So let's go to our class. We did the class of boxes, so we are gonna do dot boxes, sorry, and open tag. Yeah, so we are going to do our display flex, because we are doing Flexbox today. So are we going to do this here? Okay, let's do flex direction of column. Okay, this is nice. Actually, I do not know if we need justified column, but let's try. And align items. Let's do align items of center. And do we need gap? Okay, for now, let's see how it goes. Okay. Let's go back to here. We are going to put div. Sorry, div. And here we're going to see border of 1 pixel solid. We are gonna do a gray this time. So with this gray, we are going to give that. Okay, let's do display flex then, and then let's do flex direction. Okay, let's do column. Align items center as well. Okay, let's do gap. 2 row or 1 row. Okay, let's try 1 row for now. Okay, 1 row is fine. Then we can take out this and do the width of 100%. We're going to do display. Sorry, I've not been talking. I'm trying to figure things out. Your girl is not yet professional, but we're doing our best. So I'm going to try to from here and give caps between the boxes. Okay, our box is good to go. Okay, but then again we have to add the padding to it. Maybe 1 row will be okay right now. Let's try 1 row. Okay, voila, very fine. Okay, I think it's nice right now. Let's do something over effect. Over effect to do. Okay, let's try. And then something to it. We haven't added our background color yet. Okay, what color should I use? Okay, let me try. What color should I use? Okay, well, let's go come back here later. Let's remove the text decoration on the link. So remove that, okay. And then we can do let's try leave over. Okay, let's do something like transform. We are going to do scale. Let's do scale today. 1.2. Okay, 1.2, and add a color and possibly a background color. Okay. Let's try going down. Let's try this. Is it Cora? Okay, let's do Cora. Transform. Let's do delay of 0.2 and then ease in, ease out. Okay. And we hover. See, this is nice, this is nice, this is very nice. Okay, let's go. Let's try hover on the anchor tag. Okay, so here we're gonna do the hover effects. Go on transform. Let's do translate Y. Brown, looks brown. Okay, here brown. So let's do brown and a black color. So okay. It's too much on it. Let's reduce the pixels to 10. Very nice. Okay, this is okay. This is nice. Okay, if this is a mobile, this is how it's going to appear on a mobile phone. But let's try doing this to fit in tablets and also a laptop. So we are going to use Art Media for this. Okay. Let's use Art Media. Okay, and we are going to let's see. Am I getting this? I think I'm missing out something here. I'm missing out something here. What could it be? Okay, I think this should be at the media. Let's go on, let's go on. What am I missing? Okay. Let's do the text box is here. Let's try this one. Let's check if it's going to work there. And then we could know what the problem is. Let's dial and check. Is it flex? Because it's only to pick up of 2. But take something is really. Let me go on. 100 pixels display. We're going to do a grid this time around, and then do grid template column. We're going to put that on repeat. I'm going to do that for 3. No, we're gonna do that for 2 and 1 FR. So the 1 FR will be shared into 2